Northwest Louisiana, it is time for our local real estate housing market update. It is the beginning of October, so that means we're going to talk about what happened in the month of September and touch base back on July and August as well for comparison in this 3-minute market update. In the month of September, we had 577 properties that got listed for sale. And in August, we had 555, so we're really pretty close there. Not much of a change, but a little bit of an increase. July, that number was 645. We had 263 properties that got acceptable offers put on them and went to a pending status. That's a little bit of a decline from August, where we had 316 pendings. And in July, that number was 298. We did have 442 closings that took place, so those were our solds. In August, that number was 429, so a slight increase there. July, we were at 455. We had 43 properties that expired from the market, meaning they lived out their contract term without selling. Usually that's about 6 months. That number is pretty typical for expireds. In August, we had 46, and in July, we had 28. Right now, in total, there are 1,027 properties available for sale in the entire Northwest Louisiana area. That is the highest number we have seen in over 18 months. In August, we were at 923 for available homes listed for sale, and in July, there were 798. So we've seen a steady increase in inventory, which is a good thing and helping with balancing out the market. Interest rates. If you're paying attention to real estate at all, then you should know already by now that interest rates have been steadily increasing actually all year long. So when we talked last month, Wells Fargo was at a 5.625%, Rocket Mortgage was at 5.99%, and Chase was also at 5.99%. Now today, when we checked interest rates, we're looking at Wells Fargo at 6.375%, Rocket Mortgage at 6.625%, and Chase at 6.75%. All three have increased. These higher interest rates are due to inflation and an attempt to slow the economy down a bit and also pull back a little bit on that strong buyer demand that was present for the last couple of years that was due to those drastically low interest rates fueling that buyer frenzy, which made it a very strong seller's market, and property values increased at a rapid and unsustainable rate. So now we're seeing a pulling back and a leveling out and hopefully an evening out of the market. Be sure to check the description below for useful links and free downloads.